Just checked into my Airbnb in Dijon, France. It's about 10 o'clock at night. It took 30 hours to get here from Houston. The worst part of the trip was going through TSA. The government strike, the government shutdown is on. Hopefully it will be over by the time this video airs, but got to the airport 4 hours ahead of time, and it took 3 hours to get through TSA. Got to the airport and the gate just about 2 minutes before the plane took off. I think they were actually holding the plane for us. All right, so let's take a look around at this beautiful Airbnb in Dijon, France. All right, that's it for the Dijon, France Airbnb walkthrough. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure and do so now. Visit my other channel, Michael Ramsey Books, and my website, michaelramseybooks.com.